The floor's all level. Used self-leveling compound about 5 days ago. So that's all gone off. It's all dry. And I've checked it with the spirit level, so it's all good. Today I bought some gym mats, 2 1 meter squared gym mats from a guy on Facebook. I'll show you those in a minute. So I'm gonna have to stick them on the floor as well. I can't stick them down yet until I've sealed the floor, because the glue won't work otherwise. So I've got to seal the floor with some PVA, and once that's dried, then I'll stick the rubber mats down with this glue. And once the mats are down, I can start building the cage and put the cage on top. These are the gym mats. I actually need a little bit more, because the cage comes out about 1.20 meters, plus a little bit more for the pulleys and stuff. So I shall have to look around for another couple of strips of rubber to go at the back. I'll put the join at the back rather than at the front. So yeah, that's my next job. That's some of the frame built, but I can't carry on because I'm waiting for the 3rd gym mat to arrive, which I've ordered from eBay, and I believe it's the same as the other 2 that I bought yesterday. Once they come, I can stick them to the floor. I've already uni-bonded the floor with that PVA, so that's drying now. But yeah, really impressed with the quality of the materials that they've made the frame out of. So there's the 3 floor mats fitted. My phone will focus. I have to cut around that pipe. Slightly different size than the ones I'd already bought, but it's not an issue. And I stuck them down with that glue that I showed you before. So I'm really pleased with these. You can see this different texture. They're the 2 that I bought from that chap on Facebook, the one that I bought on eBay, but it's not a problem. Right, so that's that all finished. Pretty good. Little J hooks. Pretty sturdy. And then the spotter bars, which just slide in and out. Right, so next week I'll build the bench and sort out the pulley system which attaches to the back.